Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Coleman-Mach Signature Mach 15,000 BTU ducted RV air conditioner system with this polished white shroud. Now, one of the biggest headaches in RV repairs is figuring out which parts are compatible, and this kit is going to take all that off of your plate. This rooftop unit comes with an air distribution box and thermostat that are designed to work together, so installation is going to go a lot smoother for you, and nothing should catch you off guard during the installation process. So whether you're doing the install yourself or you're paying someone else to do it, having everything designed to work together as a kit is going to make the job faster, cleaner, and a whole lot less stressful. So this is made with RVs with ducted air, and with 15,000 BTUs of cooling power, this is going to give you about 10 to 12% more cooling power than your typical 13,500 BTU unit. That's going to be helpful in larger RVs. Think 30 feet long and longer, especially if your RVs have slide outs, or it's going to really be great in those especially hot, humid climates where that extra capacity is going to keep your RV all the more comfortable. Inside the unit are large coils and airflow boosting fins that's going to help pull the heat out efficiently, so your RV is going to stay cooler with a lot less strain on the system. So looking at some overall measurements, the overall length from end to end, we're pretty close to 39 inches long. The overall width, we're about 27 inches. And then this is a medium profile air conditioner, so the overall height's going to be pretty close to about 13.5 inches. And this is going to work with the standard opening size on the roof of your RV or camper, 14.25 inches by 14.25 inches. This weighs about 85 pounds. Now this unit is built with copper tubing and secure joints to help it stay sealed and running season after season. If you notice, we have this streamlined medium profile shroud that's going to help reduce drag. The polished white finish is going to give you a sleek look. It's going to blend well with modern RV aesthetics. I wanted to point out that on the sides and on the front is that shiny polished surface. And then on the top and the back, it's more of a textured matte finish. So it's kind of a two-tone finish, just to kind of give you an idea of what that finish is going to be like. But if you notice, the shroud isn't like hard or rigid. There's some give to it, so in my mind, I think it's going to be more impact resistant. You're not going to have to worry about this fracturing or cracking as easy as maybe some of those harder covers will. But I think it'll do a great job of protecting your internal components from water, debris, things like that. Now the air distribution box here is going to give you direct or ducted flow. You're going to open up the louvers here for cool air straight into the cabin. And then you're going to close them to push the air through the existing ducts. And we have these grills here on the side that you can pull off so you can remove the washable filters. You'll just rinse them out, let them air dry, and then replace them. That's going to help keep air moving more efficiently. And this distribution box has a low profile design. So as you can see, just kind of simulating this being installed on the ceiling here, it's not going to take up a whole lot of head space. It's going to be about 1.5 inches thick coming down, so overall a great low profile design that's going to look sleek inside of your RV or camper. And just to give you some measurements here, the overall width is about 19 inches wide. The overall length is about 20 inches long. It does come with the hardware here. Comes with the control box. It is basically the brains of the operation. The bolts to get the air conditioner and the air distribution box mounted into place. Some wiring and the frame here for the box. Then you're also going to get this included thermostat here. This features easy temperature control. It has a simple digital design here, screen that's going to let you easily adjust those temperatures. It's got a clear backlit display. It's going to be easy to read during the day or night. So you're not going to have to worry about fumbling with buttons in the dark. The overall height is about 4 inches. The width is about 2.5 inches, and this is about 1 inch thick. It does come with hardware to get this mounted onto your wall. So again, this is designed to work with your ducted system, the existing ducts in your RV or camper. This system is not going to be backwards compatible. with any AC system or component from 2024 or earlier due to the new R32 refrigerant that this air conditioner system uses. That meets the 2025 EPA regulations. So if you have any other components currently on your camper or RV from 2024 or earlier, more than likely it's not going to be compatible with this system. So that's why this kit especially is nice, because right up front, all of these components are going to work together and are designed to work with that R32 refrigerant. One final thing I wanted to mention is you can pick up a heat strip separately for this unit. Now, a heat strip is not designed to be a furnace replacement, but it's just for some of those mornings that might have a uncomfortable chill in the air and you just want to take the edge off. So if that's something that you're interested in, I am including our item number for that strip. You can add that to your order, and it's going to be a pretty simple install, but again, that's sold separately. If you happen to have any other additional questions about this system or any of the other systems that we carry here at eTrailer.com, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We do want to be sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.